Michigan Republicans in court tie fake voter efforts to Donald Trump's campaign. Lansing. Top Republicans in Michigan who testified in court Thursday directly linked forging and execution of a fake certification saying Donald Trump had won the state's 2020 presidential election to Trump campaign. While Trump's campaign previously committed to its overall strategy of preparing election certifications 7 battleground states. Thursday's testimony noted that campaign staff were involved in recruiting participants and managing the mock electors rally. Lansing on deck. 14. 2020. During that meeting, 16 Republican activists signed a document claiming that the then-incumbent Republican president had won Michigan's 16 electoral votes. The revelations came on second day of primary canvassing for 6 of the Republican electors as Attorney General Dana Nessel's office pursues criminal charges against people whose names appeared on fake certificate. Tony Zammit, former communications director, Michigan Republican Party, stated that Shawn Flynn, lawyer of Trump's campaign in Michigan, attended meeting held in basement party headquarters on December 14, 2020. Zammit, who was in building at time but not present for entire meeting, said he thought Flynn took advantage of Republicans who attended signing of document. I thought they were just following what the lawyers told them, he said. Zammit's words could be important because prosecutors will eventually need proof that the Republicans who signed the ulent election certificate had intent to. It's a standard that might be harder meet if lawyers working for Trump were prompting Michigan Republicans take action. Did they? Or did Republican activists not understand what they were signing? Paul Stablein, an attorney for Republican voter Amy Facchinello of Grand Blanc, said Nessel's team has so far failed to identify the central element of the charges they've brought. Frankly, they trust the Trump campaign lawyers to tell them what to do, Stablein said of Republican voters Thursday after the hearing was adjourned. Zammit also testified that Flynn was instructed to send the ulent certificate to the federal government. Can you believe I have to send this to Secretary of State, the Vice President, and National Archives? Zammit said he heard what Flynn said on December 14, 2020. A prominent Republican backed down Ingham County 54A District Court, Judge Kristen Simmons, who must decide whether voter cases can proceed to trial, heard 2 days of testimony that wrapped up Thursday. Primary exams for 6 Republicans will continue on February 13. Terri Lynn Land, who served as Michigan's top elections official from 2003 to 2010, explained for the first time Thursday why she did not attend the Dec. 14. 2020 meeting. Despite being one of 16 Republicans elected at a state convention, serving as a GOP presidential elector, Land, former Secretary of State, said he didn't understand why GOP voters were gathering because Bo